Welcome to the demo of NOMOS by DoWhile. Let's first install NOMOS in our system using pip. Let's check what NOMOS command line interface has to offer. With NOMOS init, we can create a new NOMOS project with ease. With NOMOS run allows us to run a NOMOS agent in dev environment, trained to train our agent interactively by providing your feedback and serve to run a REST API, so you could connect your apps with NOMOS agents. Now we are creating a NOMOS agent with NOMOS init. We have selected the LLM we are going to use for the agent, and you can also provide a simple description of what you want to build to the CLI and it will generate one for you. You can see it has generated an agent plan with different independent steps it can take and transitions between them. I am happy with this YC agent. Let's have a quick look at the agent config. As you can see, this is all we need to build an AI agent. Now we can just run it locally using NOMOS run command. As saw just now, after the greeting, based on the user query, it moved to a different step before providing the answer as we have instructed. This allows the agent to have states. Now let's look into an agent we created that have access to different tools. Here we have created an agent called Master Roshi from Dragon Balls. The agent have access to an public API and we can specify them directly in the config, no need to code. But if you require additional tools, you can create them using Python or use Crowai or LangChain tools directly without any additional coding. Here also you can see, we have used a very small model by Mistral to run this agent. This is possible only because of the NOMOS architecture. Also, you can create a production-ready deployment with just configuring the config file with many security features. As expected, Master Roshi used an API to gather information about Goku. This is just the tip of the iceberg. NOMOS can do more. Now let's run the NOMOS serve to get a production-ready API. As you can see, NOMOS has created a production-ready API with Swagger documentation, endpoints to check health, session management, stateless and stateful chat endpoints. You can even try your agent straight from the deployment. Now let's dive into how NOMOS handles testing, which is a major issue of current agent frameworks. As NOMOS uses a state machine, we can run both unit and end-to-end testing just like traditional softwares. And it is easy to write as well. You can directly run these tests in your CI/CD pipelines to detect issues beforehand. Try NOMOS today and create reliable AI agents.